Morning, children. Today we will start chapter 7. Ria's train got late. Among the various modes of transport, the train is considered as the most comfortable and facilitated way of traveling. In this lesson, you will know about the facilities for passengers on railway stations. Okay, let's start. I woke up. Our train halted at some platform. I sat and looked outside from the window. There was a clock hanging on the wall. It was 5 o'clock in the morning. Yes, Ria woke up. It was 5 o'clock in the morning. Ria sat and looked outside from the window. Besides it on the pillar, Vadodara Junction was written in the circle board. Yes, it is Vadodara Junction. Ria's brother Himanshu was still sleeping. There was an instruction on mic that the trains running between Vadodara, Surat, Valsad, Vapi, Mumbai will be 2 hours late. Yes, children, whenever you are travelled on train, you can hear this type of announcement. Which train is going to late, which train will depart from which platform, etc. Okay? Children, why would Ria's train be 2 hours late from Vadodara? Tell me. Yes, the reasons for Ria's train to start 2 hours late from Vadodara station may be the rail tracks between Vadodara and Mumbai may be under repair, or some train between Vadodara and Mumbai may be in some difficulty, or they may have an accident. So there was train on the tracks. Maybe all the trains had been late by 2 hours from early morning. The train might not have got a signal to move forward. Okay? Father told them to brush their teeth and he was going to get some tea for them, and mother prepared the breakfast. She took tepla, kakra and biscuit for breakfast. After completed their breakfast, Ria's father said, "Come, I will show you the facilities of the railway station." So, Ria and her brother got off from the train. Yes, children, Ria's father showed them the facilities like ticket checkers room, waiting room, parcel room, toilet, bathroom, facility of drinking water, canteen, etc. on the platform. Yes, children. Which places did Ria visit at the Vadodara railway station? Let's see. On Vadodara railway station, Ria visited or saw the ticket window, the ticket checkers room, the waiting room, the parcel room, the facility of lockers, the toilets and bathrooms, the facility for drinking water, canteen for tea and refreshments, and a staircase bridge to go off from one platform to the other. Understood? Yes, children, on Vadodara railway station, Ria visited ticket checkers room, waiting room, parcel room, etc. Yes, Ria saw many trains at the station. from the bridge which was used for crossing one platform to another. We saw railway staff pouring water from carriages and cleaning the train. Some sweepers were cleaning the railway tracks. We had no idea how time flew during our visit the station. Children, Ria took photographs and videos of where people were waiting on both the sides of crossing for the train to pass. There buses, car, auto rickshaw, cycle, scooter and good trucks etc. vehicles were waiting. Some people did not switch off the engine of their vehicle. Due to this, there was lot of smoke and noise in the atmosphere. Some people were crossed below the bars of the level crossing and stood near it. It was very dangerous. Yes, children. What did Ria see at the crossing? Let's see. Yes, I told you when Ria's train passed through the closed level crossing on the road, Ria saw that people were waiting to cross over to the other side on both sides of the gate. Vehicles like buses, car, auto rickshaws, bicycles, scooters and truck loaded with goods etc. were waiting at the crossing. Many people were waiting without switch off their vehicles. So, the atmosphere around the crossing was full of loud noises and smoke. Many people were going under the bars of the level crossing to go and stand near the railway tracks, thereby putting their lives in danger. Yes, at the same time, their train crossed another train. Himansh and Ria tried to count the carriages of one such train, but both Ria and Himanshu could not count the carriages. Children, do you know when is the gate kept closed at the level crossing on the road? Any idea? Yes, when the train is going to pass over the tracks on the road, the level crossing on the road is kept closed. Yes, when the train is going to pass over the tracks on the road, the level crossing on the road is kept closed. Okay. Yes, children, Himansh and Ria tried to count the carriages of one such train, but both trains were going very fast, so Ria and Himanshu could not count the carriages. Yes, children, let's discuss some question answers. Okay. When is the gate kept closed at a level crossing on the road? When the train is going to pass over the tracks on the road, the level crossing on the road is kept closed. What did Ria see at the crossing? Riaz saw that people were waiting to cross over to other side on both sides of the gate. Vehicles like buses, car, auto rickshaws, bicycles, scooters and trucks loaded with goods etc. were waiting at the crossing. And many people were waiting without switch off their vehicles. So the atmosphere around the crossing was full of loud noises and smoke. Okay. Yes, children, you should read the lesson properly. We will continue on the next video. Okay. Thank you, children. Take care.